In this video, I want to show email summary agent automation. Just create email summary AI agent automation from build from n8n. It's a n8n clouds. Also, you can work on local development, etc. I show you from this tutorial n8n cloud. It's start from template. Just email summary, type email summary. Enter summary, check email summary agent. This is email summary agent. Use this free. Just start setup. It's a Google account. I use Google account. I already connected and OpenAI account. If not, you just create a Google account, create new credential, and create new credential. It's from OpenAI. It will look like I just see OpenAI. Here you can see OpenAI credential. Just I create this name project and the generate. You will get API key. This continue. Yes. Got workflow, and now we need to set up this our time figure time. I prefer 8 p.m. or you can change this as you want. Then just run this flow. Yes, it's run from this and stop it. To check. Oh, another thing we need to change our time zone. It's from you at your time zone. By default, it will be in New York time zone. So we have now settings this output data and change our API data. That you can change model, chat model, also relevant. Just now this is send summary. And send this email address and to CC email address. CC myself. Just let's run our test workflow. Let's see. So it's working. Yes. It. So thank you for watching this video.